Hi guys, it's your girl A. Marie. This is another swimsuit that I'm about to work on. And like I told you guys, this is really simple. Remember the breasts, if you want your breasts, keep in mind the shape of your breasts, how big they are. So the bigger the breast, the bigger the rectangle, and the more coverage you want, then you pretty much make this bigger. So I got the two things that go at the top. This is what's going to go around the waist, and these is the four that go on the side. And this have this black piece in the inside. Then you just make a piece for the crotch. And guys, this is another one that I did. This is with the high-waisted panties. And I got this long maxi that I made, kind of remind you of Nene Leakes, but it's really long and flowy and got a lot going on. And I thought this would be a cute little touch. It's sort of kind of sheer. Um, it's sort of kind of sheer, but I thought that would be kind of cute. But I realized that a lot of these pretty colors and stuff puts you in a child state. Like these colors are happy. So I've been working on a lot of colorful like swimsuits and stuff like that. And this fabric, guys, it kind of goes. I can't do it. I only got one hand. But like you move it this way, the swimsuit can be all gray, or you move it another way, it kind of goes in different ways. So a couple little things that I'm working on, and this one I will wear under this really thick, long maxi. And these is the high-waisted panties, and just did a little decorated stuff that go under there that I wear under that. So thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.